What are you doing? What's going on with baby?
I'm changing her diaper.
Oh, okay.
Because she's naughty poopy.
She's got poopies in her pants?
Chewing and poopy.
Yeah.
Mom, can you get me a white thing that cleans her diaper?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Got lots of poops?
I'm gonna go throw this in the garbage. Mommy.
Good job. So does that make you a good mommy?
Yes. Mama. Mama. Hey, Mom. You're my mommy, Mom.
Oh, what a good mom. Good job, Haley Mama.